For over 50 years now, boys and girls and mums and dads have read and reread Kenneth Grahame's magical story of Mr. Toad and his friends Ratty, Mole and Badger. 4 animals who were sometimes so stupid and sometimes so wise that they were just like human beings. For those who have not yet had the pleasure of their company, and for the thousands who'd like to meet them again, this is the story of The Wind in the Willows. The mole had been working very hard all morning, spring cleaning his little